Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Meta, and we have something like double top here, Meta, and also I'll go to play also another video here. I saw some few days, guys, double top here, he rejected, and I thought it was going down, and then today we are here, and let's hear one of the video, one of the guy I follow, analyzing some of this stuff. Let's hear this one.
Well, you got to make sure you've got your cash up and are prepared, but I'm going to give you guys the technicals today. We got a bunch of data today. We got unemployment data and we got the FOMC notes. I'm going to go over those a little bit. I'm going to go over three big tech plays that I believe will do better. When you guys remember that I did my deep dive analysis of each of the Magnificent Seven to look at which one was performing the best, out of that analysis, we found that Meta was one of the best performers. And so Meta is...
Yes, guys, here the Meta is the best performer. Even me, I talk when Facebook or Meta around 400. I say, guys, this thing is going to $700, and let's hear what he was going to say. And it's very important because that thing is supposed to be happen today, because today is going to be the one of the best day on Meta. So that's what we want to watch, what will go to happen on Meta. And let's go on, let's listen the video. And
is yet again showing strength. And I'm going to show you guys in the chart where this thing could possibly go, because it might surprise you. Like everything else, it's up against resistance right now. And so I think a lot of this is going to depend on Fed Jerome Powell. Now, I am looking for positions to take after he gives his talk at Jackson Hole this Friday. So these are not jump-in positions today or even tomorrow morning. I'll be watching it very carefully. I'll give you the technicals right now, but this is what I'm looking to potentially buy the dip on, so that you're not like that poor dog at the beginning who missed the last dip. If we get another dip this Friday, it could be setting up for another opportunity. All right, let's kick things off and let's go into the meta chart. Okay, let's just go through this very carefully. Here's what I want you guys to quickly identify. This is a triple top right here. Okay, so if price shoots above 540 and closes, this would be a true breakout on Meta. And the price that we would be looking to hit after that is, over the course of time, going between the breakout and maybe the end of this year, we'd be looking at a $574 Meta.
So yeah, guys, before I finish that thing, there's something you need to watch on MACD. Whenever MACD signal to sell, let's put for example here. Whenever you see this thing turning gray like here, you see when stock consolidating is turning gray, and then on MACD you see was fighting over the bankruptcy, but you need to watch this one like here. It tell you the time to sell and then the time to buy, and then let's see what's going to say again.
Meta. And so I want you to be aware, we have a very strong pattern right now. It's a triple top, which also can be interpreted as bearish. And so I think we're not going to get out of this situation without a scare. However, if you look at these three moving averages, you see that we're above the 5, we're above the 10, and we're above the 20. And I've got marked on my chart this 516 level. And I want to go through some things with you guys. We've had a massive move up, and the entire time we stayed above the 5. Now, the last time we made a big move like this on Meta, we had an initial pump, right, that failed right beneath 516. And that ultimately had to come back, and it had to bounce off the 20 before it could find the strength to move higher. It actually did that 2 times, making a higher high each time. So at this point, I believe that this move that we're in right now, we've already seen quite a lot of strength out of this. And I think that if things get choppy going into this Jackson Hole conversation at the end of this week and possibly Monday, the best entry, the best next dip that you could assume risk on would be for this bounce at 516. It would be just similar to these previous pumps, where ultimately the stock was on offense above the 5, but had to come back and get a bounce off the 20 before it could have the strength to move higher above 540. Now we also want to look at the MACD, and you guys just want to understand there that the bulls are in charge of this. And I wanted to point out something. We have bearish divergence between the previous move, this previous top, right, and the last top that we had. That's really ugly bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence is when the price goes higher, but the momentum goes lower. And so that was pointing to the reality that we were going to get this big dip. Okay, but now we're in an interesting place where we're back at this same price, and the momentum is actually slightly higher, okay? So there's no longer bearish divergence on the MACD, on the momentum indicator, on the accelerator indicator. There's no longer bearish divergence. So if we actually get a little bit of a pullback here, we cross beneath the signal line and then cross back up, that would absolutely shoot us above 540, and we could then potentially realize the bigger move in 2024 of moving all the way to 574. All right, let's talk about NVIDIA. I know that there's a lot.
So guys, that's that thing why I'm doing today the video of the Meta, and I would like to share the same what you were saying, and I believe it, guys, because you see, like me right now here, I'm watching these levels also, and today I'm using the some moving average here. You say he was waiting 516, but me here I'm waiting like 545, and that will going to be the 20 EMA. So I'm using different, I don't know, because I put my charts often like even 24 hours, even when stock trading pre-market and post-market, my charts always indicating. So guys, if maybe this 41 today is maybe this stock, if you say like if you're going to close below this area, which we have already said is a resistance for shoot up, and we know very well market is bullish, and I will do another video later when I've already set my account very well, and you see, man, this thing on weekly is telling you is bullish, guys. Bullish is that nothing's bearish over here. Before here we had this one long-term view, this all-time high. We make 530, and we after we break this right now, this is going to be one of the best thing, but we need to confirm tomorrow, okay, to close this week, and then we can call it to moon. So okay, but 95% this thing is going to rocket, okay. We don't have any breakdown on this stock. Even you put our 4 hours chart, when you see on 4 hours chart, this thing is on a parabolic move, okay. This on parabolic move, and I'm waiting around $700. So this guy is waiting around 570 something, but me, I'm waiting $700 on this stock. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye.